Hello babes, welcome back to a new vlog. I don't know why I'm talking so low. I picked up my Starbucks and she sucked at it. Like, you know when there's just some mornings you pick up your Starbucks and you're just like, what were you thinking? I knew this would happen. So I have an IKEA delivery and they just got here. So they just dropped off my first, apparently this is gonna come in 2 separate shipments. So unfortunately I have to wait for the other part for tomorrow. I asked him and he said some of the parts come from one location. So I did get the Besta. The Besta is gonna be going over here because this area I have not done anything with it yet except for this massive custom closet that I got put in. If you guys are new to my channel, this is basically a mess on the inside right now. These are all the clothes that I have to put in my closet. I haven't had a chance. It's been such a crazy busy month and I said to myself the month of like December at least, I want to take it a little bit more easy because I do have a lot of things to do. Plus we really don't know what Christmas is looking like this year, so you know, I kind of have a lot of things, thank God, to do around here that I can keep myself busy with. This is a frame for a DIY painting I'm going to be filming for you guys because you guys said you wanted to see it. This is a disaster down here. This is like painting and like some tools, but I actually shoved all this in here because I had someone coming like for the bathroom and it was like kind of a big mess here, so I just put this all inside of here. This is my kind of work closet. Anytime I get clothing for hauls and stuff, they go inside of here. This closet has been a massive lifesaver for me. And then over here, all of my shoes, and I have a lot of backups, I have a lot of extras, and it's just piling up like crazy. I have this, and then I have some Drona cubes, like boxes from IKEA in my closet that have products in them. Then I have inside my bedroom, underneath my mountain bed, I have a drawer that has like makeup in it and stuff like that. Something was really desperately needed here. I just didn't know what I wanted to do, but I also didn't want to choose something that was really large because I don't want to enclose the space. I do have the option of putting the Besta over here because it will fit. For those of you who don't know what the Besta looks like, I will post a picture over here. It's so minimal, so pretty. This is why I love IKEA furniture. It's affordable, but it's actually like already my style. It's hella minimal, and a lot of my furniture is already from IKEA. So I can put the Besta here, but I feel like that will really close up this space and put a big block here. So instead, to keep it all the way open, I am gonna be putting the Besta over here on this side. And what's cool about it is that if I do wanna put like a little lamp or something, there is an outlet right there. I actually ordered 2 more sets of these 4 this set of 4 drawers that I got from Amazon. So I'm getting 8 more of these guys because I wanted the outside of the cabinet to still look very minimal with the cabinet doors and everything, and I didn't want like all these like drawers showing on the outside. I wanted it super minimal, just like this is. And I'm pretty sure I can fit a ton of them. I took measurements, but it's just going to allow me to categorize things like skincare, makeup, and I do plan to put a massive mirror over top. Right now I'm thinking a round frameless mirror, but it's also going to open up the space. Here I am thinking that we can like build the dresser today, and I'm like, yay, let's start with the dresser. I don't think I can because I just told you guys I have another shipment coming tomorrow. So I don't think that shipment is gonna be a lot because it looks like the frame is here, that really long piece. Yeah, I don't know what's really missing from this like package. I really don't know, but something is missing. I'm pretty sure if I went through the list I would see it. November has been really crazy in terms of like busy with my work and stuff like that. I'm like, okay, this month I've got to take the time and do the things that I have kind of been putting on the back burner, which is my DIY painting for my bedroom. I've been talking about it for the longest time, but it's because I just cannot get around to it. And I have the organizing I want to do in this island, which yesterday I was already put kind of my plan for my island. And to be honest, some things are gonna get tossed out. If I feel like I bought them when I first moved in, but I have not used them since, like they've just gotta go. And I don't know what it is. I think it's because I'm more at home more than ever because of everything that's going on. It's like I want my place like extra organized. I don't know if you guys are feeling that too. On a normal daily basis where we get kind of caught up in working and stuff like that, we always put those things to the back burner. You know what I mean? Most of the time. And the other thing is, I don't know what's happening with my bathroom. I haven't gotten an email about if the door is still coming. Like I haven't gotten anything, so I'm assuming it's still like, I'm pretty sure they would have like sent me some sort of a message if they're like, hey, you know, this is what's happening. I'm tired of staring at that curtain. Like every time I take a pee, I just look at that curtain and I'm just like, hate you. I really hate you. Like, I really need you to go. Like, everything else in this bathroom looks really cute except for you. Like, you are the ugliest thing in this damn bathroom. Conversations I have for myself. So I just look at it and I'm like, oh. Sometimes I will literally open the whole entire thing just so I don't have to stare at it, but I still need it there because then when I'm showering, I don't want like a pool on the floor, because you know, an interior pool is never cute. I'm not happy with my front entrance closet where it has like my towels and stuff like that, which I did a whole like revamp of my towels, you guys. I don't know what it is. I think it's because I grew up. It's so funny how like where you lived before, how much it impacts you. I was like literally collecting towels, and I literally had probably like 12, 15 towels just like stacking up, and I'm like, Steph, like, please answer this. How many of these towels do you really go through? Like, you're one person. You use a towel, and once you feel like it's got to get washed, you put it in your hamper and you grab another one, and by the time that one gets dirty, then you wash the other one. So the other one, like, why do I need 10 towels? Like, I wish you guys could have saw. I literally, there were some that were not even used, okay? That's the whole point. They were not even used. They've never been touched before. And then I was collecting like different colors, and I was just like, but I will say I'm over white towels. I've tried the OxyClean. I don't want to be using bleach. I have tried bleach, but that still didn't get out certain stains. Like, I was like, you know what? I'm done with the white. I got those beautiful like taupe color ones, which match my tile in my bathroom like 1000%. It's crazy. I literally now only have I have 3 in total bath towels, like one extra just in case. And I have like face towels stacked up. Those came in a pack, I think, of like 4 or 5, so I couldn't really choose how many of those to buy. My excuse, you know, me trying to, you know, justify. But I realized it's because at my old, like at my, I don't know what to call, my parents' house, the entire freaking linen closet was packed with towels. It was packed with towels. And there's 5 of us, but my dad had his own bathroom. So I'm just like, okay, 4 girls, okay, do we need, and literally it was to the point where like we couldn't, once they were washed, we couldn't fit any more inside the thing. And I'm like, I think we're done buying towels, Mom. Like, because I wouldn't buy towels, obviously. I think that got put inside my head, like, have lots of towels. I am trying to be more minimal when it comes to my living space. Do I need this? Do I need 3 extras of this? No, you don't, Steph. Okay, throw out the other 2 or give them away to someone who will use them. What else was I gonna say? When Dory brain hits. Just take a sip of coffee, it usually helps. Then I made another to-do list. Like, look at me being the organized queen I am. Steph, you ain't organized. Your place is a mess. So anyways, just me talking to myself again. By the way, quarantine did not do this to me. No, I've always been like this. Anyways, organized living room dresser. Oh my God, I forgot about you. Me, when I see comments like, Stephanie's the organizing queen, I'm just like, girl, you haven't seen my dresser yet. Okay, when I organize, I feel like I'm an amazing organizer, but I'm also really bad with letting things that are organized get into a disaster. It's a zoo in there. And Pisces, actually, most of us are messy. Most of us are not neat, but I also have Virgo in me, and the Virgo's like, you are gonna freak out and lose your shit soon if you do not get organized. And then Pisces is like, you're right, Virgo, I think I am gonna lose my mind. And then Scorpio's just in the background like, y'all are too funny. My dresser in my living room is, pigsty is an understatement. Well, maybe to me. Bedroom wall, can you guys see it there? It needs something right there. Like right now it's just kind of like, I couldn't find words, so I just decided to describe it with my hand gestures, which is something I'm very passionate about. By the way, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, also the bell so you guys get notified for all of my brand new videos. So I actually want to show you guys, I'm having breakfast really late, and a lot of mornings I've actually been doing this. Omelet with spinach and Montreal chicken spice, and these are only egg whites, so I actually bought the egg white carton, and I only used about 3 egg whites for this omelet. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be having for my brunch, basically. but I know. Like, honestly, I have moved these shelves like 3 or 4 times because I thought if I moved it up one, I'd be able to get rid of this little gap here, but no. No. Both of the shelves are in now. And now I have the 4 here, and then I have like this little tiny nook here, which I actually love. Also, you guys, something else I'm debating is I do like when everything is really nice and low, and I am not a fan of legs, but I did order this one because when I saw it in the photos, I'm like, oh, it looks really pretty with the white legs. Now that I'm looking at it, I might put on the legs that they give you, which is kind of just little like glides for the floor. I'm looking at it, I'd rather it just be like lower, and I feel like it opens the space a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna switch it. This is what I'm eating. I'm having 3 of them since I haven't even eaten yet, and then I'll probably eat a little bit later on. This is why I love meal prepping, because if I'm busy throughout the day and I'm super hungry, it's like then I refer to takeout, you know what I mean? Because I have nothing inside of my fridge. Oh my god, you guys. I just finished this cabinet. And I don't even know what time it is. I don't care. I took like a break from it because anytime you get frustrated, you're actually just gonna like sometimes make it worse or not think straight. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me go eat. Let me just chill. By the way, this is not the next day. This is the exact same night. These cupboards, they're just very like, very finicky, and it's not that the actual screw for the bracket for the door, it wasn't going through the metal. I had to play with it and play with it and play with it, and it just would not go. And I was like, oh my god, okay, just be patient, Steph, just go slowly. So it's a little bit finicky. Don't ask why that's all messed up. Yeah, I had to take off my sweater. I am so freaking hot. I did remove the feet. I love it so much better like this, and you actually don't see the feet. I went to Walmart and I got these 2 liners. I did get this one. I might end up getting the other one that I wanted because I think it is taller and the drawers are also wider. But for now, I needed something. I don't want to use those flat organizers that I have in the drawers. So this is everything that I have to organize. I'm pretty sure everything is out over here. I had stuff in my bathroom, my bedroom, like I was telling you guys. My tanning products, extra skincare, makeup, extra shampoos, just a bunch of things. I have masks inside of here. And I did get my order yesterday for an extra 8 of these, so I'm so excited. And I've actually done a drawing of like a plan. It's always really great to kind of go into organizing with a plan because it's so much so much more seamless and like easier. And then I have a vanity kind of mirror that I use. And then I also have my facial steamer, which I forgot that I can also put inside of here. Guess what? Today, they're coming to install my bath door. I'm so excited. They called me yesterday and I was like, oh my god, I thought you guys were gonna cancel on me. I figured we would start organizing and then I'll get like interrupted in between because they'll probably call. I'm getting my bath door today. I'm so excited. And my facial steamer just makes it. Like, oh, thank god. So I'm gonna put that back there. No, so this one does not make it, but I still have room to like have it laying down. Here I plan to put skincare products, which I do have a lot of extras, and those are the things I reach for the most. Slow and steady. So stuff that you don't really reach for, you do want like at the bottom. So I'm gonna switch it up. The tanning is gonna go over here. Oh, that looks so good. I have all these extra mitts that I use when I'm tanning. My favorite right now is Bondi Sands. I have these guys, which I keep like just in case I run out of this. I have Bali Body that I was sent one time. Then I also have 2 bottles of Loving Tan. So tanning, I have 2 full bottles of the Kristen S that I was using before. Put them back there. Everything in here is pretty much like extra skincare. I'm gonna put extra deodorants over here. I have extra toothpaste, serum, face waters and toners, moisturizer. I would say over here I'm gonna put extra serums. I also put the moisturizers inside of there too, extra cleansers, eye creams, just basically pretty much all skincare. And then these guys have all the round kind of bottles. And then on this side, just because these guys have liquid inside of them, I'm gonna put them on this side along with the shampoo bottle. Like all my travel stuff also in one thing. And these guys are really great for travel too because they're really nice and mini. And I also have extra cotton pads. I love using these guys to remove my eye makeup. On this side over there. Extra sunscreen. I use these guys when I'm traveling, like 110 SPF. This is like when I go to LA or something. I just like to use it, so I'm gonna put it in my travel drawer. And so we have a bunch of lipsticks in this over here. So I'm gonna put all my lip balms that I have on the top over here. Lip glosses. I have a bunch of lip glosses because I do love them a lot. I have 2 of the Paprika. She's expensive because it is so nice. All my lipsticks down here. And then any little mini like perfume samples are really good for travel too. So I'm gonna put that in my travel drawer. I have these guys that go in my curling one. And the other thing is you can put your hair tools inside of here too. So this guy is gonna go on this bottom shelf, and you can also put it facing like more closer to you. And I have room at the back. Oh my god, it feels so good that everything is all cleared off. Now let me show you guys. Like, it just looks all so organized. I'm so happy. I still have room to put more of those drawers. In the corner over there, I have my toner and my cleansers and just one random perfume that I am not currently using. In this drawer, we have everything travel, everything I would kind of bring with me. Then over here, we have extra toothpaste. I have my Sig Magic brush cleaner and extra deodorants. And then over here we have a bunch of other skincare treatments or serums or night creams. Over here it is serums, cleansers, moisturizers, oils. And then over here I have my lip balms at the top. Then you have all of your lip glosses. And this drawer has nothing because I thought I was gonna put something in there. And then over here has all of my lipsticks. So whenever I'm doing my makeup, it's literally around the corner and I can just pick a lip color that I'm gonna be using for that day. I have my steamer over there. Extra mitts for when I'm doing my tanning. And this drawer is all of my extra tanning products. I actually decided to put all of my baby wipes inside of here. I had 2 extra packs that were in my front closet. And then I have 2 packs of cotton pads that I love to use. Over here is kind of like a mini hair drawer. Any extra hair products or anything I will be putting inside of there. I did also get from my front closet extra body washes, and my extra shampoo and conditioner is over there on the corner. And that completes everything, you guys. Like, look how organized it is. I'm so thankful that this is done. It literally feels like a weight lifted off of my shoulders. It was bothering me so much that I just had like things in 4 different places. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you guys want to see more organizing videos, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up like button right now. I will leave the organizers that I use, the drawers, because those are like my absolute favorite. I think I have to order another set, and they're also linked on my Amazon favorites. So anytime you guys see my page, I've categorized things for you guys by home. My black utensils are there. I always get asked about those. Kitchen, fashion, whatever, it is on my Amazon page. Also, I will keep you guys posted on my bathroom makeover. I do still have I have to decide on the shelving and to see if I want any other accessories, but it is almost done and I'm so excited to get this door installed and just see what it looks like. I just cannot wait. I will update you guys on that area because it's not decorated yet, obviously. I want to find like one really nice vase, and then I want to put a big round mirror on the wall. So the next vlog will be more organizing probably, and also updates on decor around my place, what I've changed, what I've gotten rid of, what's new and stuff like that. You guys said you love seeing like decor, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed organizing with me. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you for staying and watching this video, or if my babes have come back to watch another one of my videos, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, and click all so you guys get notified for all of my brand new uploads. And don't forget to follow me on IG. It is at Macedo. I love you guys, and make sure you guys leave your comments, your thoughts down below, and let me know if you guys loved this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of my beautiful babes in my next video.